Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to Xiaomi Redmi 10A. Firstly, just open Play Store on both smartphones and install free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to operate the Send Anywhere app, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on the other device. Now choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Nokia and tap on Receive on Xiaomi. From here you need to click on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you will select all of them and transfer them later on. It will take some time though, so I will go with only this one photo, choose Send and click on Get It. Now on Xiaomi you need to tap on one of those options, yes I agree or no thanks, and tap on Close this window. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect those devices. We can scan this QR code by selecting scanning icon on Xiaomi, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing this device's camera at the code. But we can always input this key over here instead and tap on Receive button. As you can see now, after a while, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!